And we're back. HoliYAY giveaway time. Today's is super exciting. It's a very new product and it's kind of weird because I'm also giving away this in a different shade, but that's before I knew this product was coming out. It is the Fenty Gloss Bomb in the shade Fussy. Okay, this is the gloss bomb of my dreams. Fenty Gloss Bomb is my gloss of my dreams. It's my absolute favorite go-to gloss. I put it in my car, I put it next to my bed. It has so many moisturizers and hydrators in it that you can use it overnight. It's just a go-to. It looks amazing with makeup, on top of other things, without makeup. You need it, okay? Gloss bomb, you need it. It comes in 2 other shades, and this is the 3rd one, and I hope Fenty just keeps coming out with them because I will buy every single one. This one is more of like a pinky mauve, which I'm so excited about because I'm a pinky mauve girl. It just feels so amazing. It's like butter. So 2 of you guys will be winning your very own Fussy gloss. If you've watched any of my giveaway videos, you know how this whole shindig rolls, but if you don't know or if you need a refresher, all of the giveaway rules will be in the info box down below. But to give you guys a summary, you have to be subscribed to me on YouTube, follow me on Instagram, and at the end of each video I ask a question. Each video's question is different and you have to give your answer to the question in the comments down below with your Instagram handle or your email address so that I have a way of contacting you if you do win. Unfortunately at this time, this is not an international giveaway. None of my HoliYAY giveaways this season are. I'm so sorry to all my international viewers. I'm working on it and hopefully I can get some international giveaways going very soon. But for now, today's giveaway question for the Fussy Gloss Bomb is, if you had to eat one food every single day for the rest of your life, just at one time, not like for every meal, but just once, every single day for the rest of your life, what could it be? It can be like variations, like if your answer is bagels, you could have like a sesame bagel, an Asiago bagel, you could have a plain bagel. It could be like that, but like bagels is your thing. For me, it would be pizza. Okay, because there is nothing better than bread, cheese, sauce, toppings, pineapple. I'm that weirdo that puts pineapple on her pizza, okay? Like I really enjoy it. You can just do so much with pizza, you know? There's a breakfast pizza that you can put scrambled eggs on. It's just so versatile and it's all the things I love in one. So leave your answers down below and good luck to all of you guys for all of the giveaways, and stay tuned for lots more giveaways coming your way. But until my next video, thank you as always so much for tuning in and I'll catch you soon. Bye guys.